Hello students, we have completed unit 2 and now we are moving on to the unit 3. In unit 3 we are going to study about the time series analysis. So the concept and components, okay, you can study from the notes which I have given you online. And then today we will see how to determine the trend in the time series. Okay, so in time series analysis we are studying about the changes in the phenomenons. That means the fact or situation that is observed to exist or happen. Okay, or the fact or the changes that is observed to happen. Okay, so we are studying about the changes in the phenomenon or the trends in the growth of phenomenon, such as population, national income, prices, etc. Okay, so in this time series analysis there are different methods for measuring a trend in time series analysis. Some of them are ordinary least square and moving average and curve fitting. So we will study these measures one by one. So in the first method, that is the ordinary least square method. Okay, so in this method we first of all have to determine the trend line equation. So this trend line equation, it is given by y equal to a plus bx. Okay, y equal to a plus bx, which is the trend line equation. So what is y? Y is the phenomenon. That means the fact or the situation that is likely to change. Okay, that we are under observation, because this phenomenon, it changes. So, and then x, what is x? X is time difference from mid-year. Okay, time difference from mid-year. Okay, so here in OLS method, our objectives in the trend equation is to determine the value of a and b. That means our objective here is first to determine the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so how to calculate a, how to determine a equal to summation, total sum of y divided by n. Okay, and the value of b can be found out by the total sum of xy divided by the total sum of x square. So soon after we get the value of a and b, we can substitute in the formula in the trend line equation, then we can get the trend line equation. So for example, we have the question here: estimate the trend line equation from the following data. So we are given the years 1961, 62, 63, 64 and 65 and the population. So we have to calculate or to estimate the trend line or the change in the population. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is that let y be the population. Okay, let y be the population and x be the years. So I've arranged it in the form of the table. So we know our trend line equation is, because we have to fit the trend line equation, right? So our trend line equation equal to a plus bx. So now we have to find a, which is summation y by n, and b, which is summation xy by summation x square. Okay, so now we understand what we need to do. First we have to find out summation y, which will give us how much? It will be 73. Okay, so what else we need? We got summation y, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the number of years. Now we need to find summation x y. So how to find out summation x y? That means we have to, so we have to multiply x and y, but here in our equation x is not there, isn't it? X is not there, but I already told you that x is the difference. X is the difference from mid-year. Okay, x is the difference from mid-year. So here let us take 1963 as our mid-year. Okay, so that means x equal to t by mid-year. Okay, that means t by 1963. Okay, so here we get x, so x equal to t minus 1963. Okay, t minus 1963. So what is this t? T are the number, are the years. Okay, so 1961 minus 1963 is minus 2, and 1962 minus 1963 is minus 1, and then this is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2. Got it? So we need x square, summation xy, isn't it? So we can multiply x and y. Got it? Can multiply x and y. So here minus 20 minus 12, then 0, then 16, then 40. Summation xy equal to 24. Remember, when you have negative value and positive value, first you add this separately and this separately, then you subtract them. Okay, if positive value greater than the negative value, here should be plus. If negative value is greater than the positive value, so here should be minus. So in this case, positive value is greater than the negative value, because this is 56 and this is just 32. Got it? So 56 is positive, so that's why here also it is positive. Got it? And now what we need, we got summation xy, and now what we need, summation x square. That means we have to square the value of x. Okay, let me extend. So minus 2 multiply minus 2 is 4, minus 1 multiply minus 1 is 1, then 0, then 1, then 4. Okay, so what you got here equal to 10. Okay, 4, 5, 6 plus 4 equal 10. So now what we need to do, we need to find out a, which is equal to summation y is how much? 73 by 5, which is equal to 14.6, and then b equal to summation xy is equal to how much? 24 divided by summation x squared, that is 10, which is equal to 2.4. So now the trend line equation is y equal to a plus bx, which is y equal to a is how much? 14.6 plus b is how much? 2.4x. Okay, so this is our trend line equation. Trend line equation. So here sometimes you will get continuous series. Okay, that means the continuous series. For if you get continuous series, that means you have to find out the mid-year first. Okay, mid-year. Okay, from mid-year then you can find the midpoint, and then you can get x squared. Got it? I hope you understand. Thank you.